What is behavioral therapy?
One of the biggest concerns that parents have when their children are little is whether or not to send them to preschool. They're so afraid that their child is going to get picked on and teased, and teachers won't accept them, and they'll never have friends and never have play dates. And while all of these things are valid concerns, they're concerns for all children. We're always scared as parents that our kids are going to get picked on. It goes all the way back from when we picked their name before they were born, making sure it didn't rhyme with anything horrible. That's just a fact of life. Kids can be cruel, but that is nothing, and cannot stop you from getting your child into an appropriate school setting. And appropriate meaning around their children that are typical developing, that are in general education whenever possible, children that are going to be good role models for them. And, eventually your child will merge in and you'll never see the difference. But that cannot happen if you make the decision to keep them at home until they're all fixed, as if they were broken, until they're all better. The time to get them out with their peers is now, right now, and I don't care what level they're at. When my son was going into kindergarten, the IEP team really tried to talk me out of putting him in a general ed kindergarten because he had been in special ed for about a year and a half and was doing well, and he was starting to talk and things were coming back around. But he didn't have spontaneous language. He did not. If you said to him, say hello to Mrs. Stewart, he would say, hello, Mrs. Stewart, but he wouldn't just walk up and say hello. It was not natural for him at that point. So everything needed to be prompted, which is why we had an aide with him. But by the end of that school year, he was talking freely and openly with friends. He was doing his work. He was, he still had some trouble on the playground with loud noises. But the progress we had made in 8 short months was astronomical. Would he have ever come that far in that short a time in a special ed classroom? There's no way. Absolutely no way. So when you're making that decision of what school to put your child in, remember, raise the bar. Put him in a classroom where his peers are doing well and he's got a good role model to follow the examples. Remember, have patience, have hope, and have faith.